For the first time ever, Royal Navy ships from the UK have come to Chennai's L&T Kattupalli shipyard to undergo repairs, and we're joined by Commander Dalgleish from the Royal Navy. So he's actually the commander of the Amphibious Task Force. Sir, actually start off by telling us, what are the main benefits for the Royal Navy to actually come to India to undertake maintenance and repairs? So in terms of cost, in terms of fuel, what are the advantages?
There are lots of advantages here. It's a great shipyard with great facilities, both for metal work and for fueling and for all aspects that we're able to carry on our mission. Our mission is continuous for 365 days a year, 7 days a week, out into the Indo-Pacific. India is a great hub for that. Great facilities, as I've said, and where we could continue our tasking.
So what we've seen now are the RFA ships, which are combat support ships. These are not frontline warships. In the future, can we expect frontline warships that go by the HMS prefix? Can we expect them in India?
There would be a plan for that. Next year, the UK Carrier Strike Group will be entering the region as part of their operational deployment. What I would say is I'm unable to commit at this time, but what I would say is that we are very much looking forward to this, and hopefully it may happen in the future.
Right. So also please tell us, what are the kind of exercises that you look forward to undertaking with the Indian Navy, and also later on in your tasking in the Indian Ocean region and the Indo-Pacific?
This is about regional engagement. It's about understanding your partners' capabilities, but also for them to understand our capabilities. It's a two-way thing. We predominantly here for amphibious and humanitarian and disaster relief, as also for non-combatant evacuation operations. So we will show our capabilities to the Indian Navy, specifically when we sail, and we're looking forward to showcasing our abilities to our partner nations in the future.
See, in the past, what we've noticed is that when foreign partners look at shipyards in India, they look at one on the east coast and one on the west coast. Is the Royal Navy also looking for a shipyard on the west coast as well?
I don't know at this point in time. All I can say is that we'll provide very positive feedback on the maintenance we've encountered over here on the east side. I mean, it has great opportunities on the east side as a basing for future operations, but at this stage I can't comment on whether this will be either the west or the east side.
Yeah, just one final question. It's been said in reports that UK Navy is a shadow of its former self because of a lot of maintenance issues with the carrier, and any comments on that?
No comments on this time. What I would say is the Royal Navy and RFA are very committed to operations around the world, as you can see right now here, and all areas that we're conducting, whether it be in the Middle East, North Atlantic, Indo-Pacific region, where we already have batch 2 OPVs out here. So we're very committed to operating in this region and worldwide, and we continue to maintain that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
That was Commander Dalgleish telling us that the UK Navy, the Royal Navy, remains committed to operating in their different theatres of operation around the world. From Chennai, Sidharth MP, WION World is One.